Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the process on how you can go about resetting your AirPods. It's actually pretty simple to do. So the first step is putting the AirPods inside of their charging case and then close the lid, wait about 30 seconds, and then open the lid back up. At that point, if you have an iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch, for instance, that you are connected to, then go to your settings, open up Bluetooth, and tap on the little eye icon that's next to your AirPods. Then tap Forget This Device and tap again to confirm. It's going to be a little bit different if you're on Android, but relatively similar process. So if you have an Android smartphone that you're hooked into, just drag down the top screen, click on the little gear that'll open up your settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, and then click on where it says Bluetooth again. You should be able to find your AirPods in the list of Bluetooth devices, and then just click on them and you can forget the device as well. So it's a relatively similar process, whether you have an iPhone, Apple device, or Android. So then at that point, your AirPods are now disconnected to whatever device that you were previously connected into. So now the next thing you do is, with the lid open, press and hold the setup button or the pairing button on the back of the case for about 15 seconds until you see the status light flashing amber. Now at this point, it should be in pairing mode, and if you have an Apple product such as an iPhone, it's really easy to pair with AirPods. So with the lid open and of course now in pairing mode, place your AirPods close to your device and then follow the steps on your device's screen. That is if you have an Apple product that you're connecting to. Now, if you're on Android, it's really simple. Just go back into your settings, open up Bluetooth and devices, click on Bluetooth again, and then click on the little plus icon that's next to where it says Pair New Device. And as long as your AirPods are in pairing mode and you have your Android smartphone searching for devices in your general vicinity that are in pairing mode, it should be able to find them. And at that point, you should be able to hook them back up. So that's the process that you can go through to reset your Apple AirPods. I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.